collective reading. Hi everyone, Kompeta here speaking. Tell me, can you guys hear me? Can you guys just get back to me? Guys, can you please text back on the comment box? Can you guys hear me? Guys, can you please text me back on WhatsApp because I see that the comment box, I'm not able to see the comments. But can you please take me back and tell me that you can hear me right now? All right, perfect. So, is there anything that you want me to help you with regarding this trading thing? Um like I am done doing the zigzag pattern. I was about to move on to the harmonic pattern. So, is there anything that you want me to clarify when it comes to this zigzag pattern? basically a flag is what we call it in terms of trading. Uh, before I move on, is there anything that you want me to clarify quickly for you? All right, guys. I'm hearing harmonics. I'm hearing trend line breakout. I'm hearing how to analyze, but again, how to analyze the news. All right. First things first. Let's start with the harmonics. Then harmonic pattern basically means that it's swing trading, sort of, ne? Not sort of, but yeah, it's swing trading. So meaning that the market is maybe on its strongest sell point or strongest buy point, meaning it reached its highest peak or its lowest low. So I'm gonna look for another currency pair that I can show you how you can do the swing trading. Let's see. All right, let's look at the daily chart. Mm, all right, this is nice. This is nice. Uh, all right, let's just quickly change this. All right, as you can see, guys, this chart is clean. It doesn't have anything confusing. It's clean. It's clean. You understand? And I want you to be able to see a picture when you start analyzing. Don't just look at a chart and look at it like you don't understand anything. You want to panic. I want you to look at a chart and tell yourself that yes, I can analyze and see what's happening on this chart. So how I'm gonna show you how to do it. Uh, when it comes to trading, there are certain swing trading aspects that we call harmonic patterns. All right. In this case, there is no, but again, a proper. There is one. I can show you a harmonic, but again, butterfly, not butterfly, but harmonic bat pattern. It's the better butterfly, but anyway, it's the buy one, man. I'm gonna show you one that you can see and use to see that this thing was actually a clear indications that the market was going to be a buy. All right, let's change this color, make it blue. All right, I hope you can see this clearly. All right, and then happy. You're just gonna add this thing. 1, 2, 3. All right, very important. Support and resistance. I know some of you forget whenever whenever you analyze. This thing is very important, guys. So you can see when is the actual sniper entry, when to exit and when to exit. This is very important, guys. As you can see, you could have entered, but I wouldn't have advised you to enter there because anything can happen. The market would have either went down to this price from here to here and then started retracing here, which you would have lost a lot, or you would have just simply waited up until price broke the major support and it kept on going up. All right, so harmonic butterfly or bed, that one, this harmonic pattern, as you can see, it tells you that the market is going to be a buy pattern. All right, we can see it. I hope you can see it too. I hope you know what I'm talking about when I say harmonic patterns. But this is basically what I'm talking about. There's this white lines that are really disturbing me on this chart. Let me see if I can just change it. Oh, fucks. All right. All right, daily chart, 4-hour chart. All right, let's use. I'm looking for a way to show you the trend. All right, the trend started here, kept on going down. False breakout, false breakout. Let me see. This is not correct. All right, you can have it both ways. You can have it like this or this. Perfect. All right. As you can see, from this point upwards, the market made its bullish move, né? But it has to come to this price over here, to this trend line here, or the one next to it. So personally, I would say that this is a very strong bullish market that we are expecting here. In terms of horizontal lines, let's put one here. No, wait, hold on. I think there's something wrong on ish. I don't like the colors here. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna look for another chart because this one I don't understand what's happening with it. So I'm just gonna look for another one. GBP JPY. All right. One day. Let me just change this, make it white. Great, white. All right. Sorry about that. But yes, this is what I'm basically talking about. Horizontal line here, a trend line here. Horizontal. And then another one here. So harmonic pattern that indicates a buy here. It started here. 1, 2, 3. Insert shapes. 1, 2, 3. Major supporter. Here's the major support. All right. So I would have advised you to enter with a buy here up until the trend line. But Mina, I don't like going against the actual trend, yeah, the daily chart. As you can see right now, it's a downtrend. It moves from here to there. All right. I would advise you guys to wait up until you get the proper sell signal for this whole trend. So in this week or the coming future, the price may go up. That's basically what's going to happen right now. Price is going to go up. You can either enter. I don't like entering on Mondays, but yes, if you feel like it, you can do it. Price is going to go up from here. So let's look for another major support in between. Yeah, I see somewhere here. From here on, either the market, this GBP is going to open with gaps or JPY is going to open with gaps. It's going to open maybe from here and then continue stop loss hunt up until there and then go back up. Okay, wait, but this is a daily chart. Let me just zoom in on 4-hour. All right, yes. What the market can do tomorrow, on Monday. All right, wait, hold on. We have a pattern here. We have a pattern. A flag. Like I told you guys, we are expecting a buy position from this market. So right now, what I'm expecting from Monday or whenever it's going to be, price has to go back to the trend line. Are you with me, guys? Are you with me? Can you please respond to me so I can see that you are with me? Price is going to go back there. This is a flag pattern. This is a flag pattern indicating that the market is going to be, when it breaks this price over here, over here. You can place your sell stop on Monday on 143.9896. This is your first signal for Monday even. Sell but again buy stop 143.896. If the price continues going up from this buy stop to there, you would have clocked 2,500 and something pips. But this is gonna happen right maybe somewhere this week or in the near future. So take that into consideration. This is a very long, but again, a very good opportunity for a buy signal. But wait for breakout and confirmation. All right. All right. So, is there anything else that you guys would want me to help you with or clarify before I can move on to the other aspect? Guys, is there anything that you would want me to clarify before we can move? Is there anything that you don't understand of what I just told you right now? If not, I'm gonna move on to the next bargaining indicator, which is the bargain. This is the bed pattern. This is the bed, no butterfly pattern, and then I'm gonna explain the bed pattern just now. So, is there anything that you want me to clarify before I can move on? All right, I'm getting I'm getting a message asking me that what is a flag? A flag basically is a picture within this bargaining within this chart. As you can see, price went up and it retraces back, and then it's gonna continue going up. If you can put in bargaining Fibonacci retracement level in Tonton. Let me just put it here somewhere here because the horizontal line is yeah. All right, I'm gonna put it somewhere there. Yeah. All right. As you can see, price when I say that it's gonna retrace, it retraced back to the 50 or plus minus 50 Fibonacci level, and then from there on, it is confirmed that this is a complete buy signal. So, in terms of bargaining, explaining what is a flag. A flag is a picture that you draw on the chart itself to show you the price movements before it can break. I'm pretty sure right now it's going to break this price over here at the top. So you can place a buy stop. Hence, I said you can place a buy stop, or you can leave it and it's gonna retrace back and then continue going up. But for now, this is a very strong buy signal. Let's see how we can scalp on Monday. If then the price fails to break this pattern over here, if Monday price fails to break this pattern over here, please continue scalping with sell signals. This is basically we call it hedging. If the market doesn't break here and continue going up, not just wait for a reversal candlestick for a sell signal. Maybe doji or maybe barking engulging bearish pattern, maybe a pin bar, all those patterns that indicates the sell. Continue following those before the market can actually confirm for us that it's going to continue going up as a buy. So for now, scalp on bargaining. You can enter with a buy on a low bargaining um, position, bargaining a low pip position, and then continue scalping with sell signals before it can actually turn around and swing all the way to a buy. So apart from that, is there anything that you would want me to explain more? All right, guys, is there anything else you would want me to clarify for you that you don't understand? Newbies, don't worry. I will send you, Baraking, I will send you PDFs and I will send you everything that you need to know about pips, about breakouts, about what controls the market, the basic things that you need to know before you can actually understand what is going on. What is this thing? We call it a candlestick pattern. Or I know that you must be confused where you are right now. Relax, Upetimina, you got me, and I'm gonna help you through everything. So for now, just tell me what you are struggling with. Old ones, for you guys, for you newbies, I want you to see and familiarize yourself with what is happening with the chart and how you can actually make money and become motivated while watching this video as well. And then you old guys, it's cutting man, just cutting you to make money. If you're not making money right now, something is very wrong. You have to look at what you are doing wrong. But other than that, allow me to help you with everything. So please text me anything else that you want me to explain before I move on going to bargaining. Okay, I did the harmonics. I'm gonna go through the fundamental bargaining aspect now, and then if you have anything else that you are struggling with, just text me so I can help. All right, guys. Okay, let's just wait for this one to reply. I'm gonna something quickly. All right, I'm gonna continue another to show you how a flag works. Let me just give me chance. Just give me a chance quickly. All right, what I'm gonna do right now is just analyze bargaining cat JPY real quick to show you what is a bargaining, to show you what is a flag pattern. Clear about how about you. I'm cute. 100% black owned champagne. All right, I can't see this pattern clearly, but I will confirm with my other guys. Yeah, it's something like this. I can't see what's happening here. I'm not gonna lie, I cannot see because the dots are just not connecting. All right, but basically this is a bargain, a pet, bargain, a flag pattern. Ne? Price, as you can see, bounce once, twice, almost three times, and then here's the third time. All right. All right. Let me just do this so you can see what I'm talking about. First time bounce. This is where everything started, and then second time bounce. All right. Third time it broke here. It broke here. Let me just put this thing properly here. I don't know what's happening with this thing. It's busy tripping 3 times here and broke out. And broke out and retraced and went down. Right now we are looking at major support bench. Uh, if I can just quickly see, let me just look for the major support. Here it is. Yeah, it's hiding. Here it is. Yeah, here it is. Major support 1, major support 2. Here it is. All right. Basically, what's gonna happen right now is that let me look for another one around about somewhere here. All right, here's another one. So basically, price did exactly what was projected that it would do. Breakout, bounce one, second time, third time breakout, retrace. You would have entered with a sell here, continue going down. All right. Now, price is busy retracing, guys. Remember, there's something that we call Fibonacci retracement. Fibonacci retracement. And what did I tell you about the 50 zone Fibonacci? Very, 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 very dangerous. This zone over here, guys, this is very essential. Like, if you can master this zone, this number over here, the 50 retracement zone, is gonna give you money if you can master it. Wait, let me just put this thing properly in. Yeah, there we go. There we go. This zone is very essential. What's gonna happen right now is that tomorrow, Monday, or in the near future, a reversal pattern is gonna happen here. It might consolidate maybe, and then, as you can see, this is a flag as well. So there are many indicators of what's gonna happen during this coming week or in the near future. All right, let me just change this color, make it something you can see. Let's make it dark blue. No. Let's make it lime. All right. As you can see, this is what price is happening right now. Went up from here down. Major support. That's why it couldn't go back to the trend line. Up. Major support again. Down to the trend line. And then up again. Now this up, it was supposed to go to the 50 but again the 50 zone near Fibonacci. It didn't get to it, but either way we can take it as it went to it and it got there. Right now what's going to happen is that we're going to look for reversal patterns to break this flag and continue going down to the major support, if not to this 82.979. If not until this zone, it's going to go to the 32, but again 32 zone. So I would expect you for now, when Monday opens, scalp with buys for as much as you can, and then When the time goes, you can enter with a small position here, say, and Heiko swing, and when it starts to swing, it's gonna swing up until 82.979, or this 38.2 zone, or continue going down to 81.47. So this is a very, very, very strong sell opportunity. Keep on the lookout for it. Let me just do this. What happened here? What happened? All right here. All right. So for now, you can scalp with but again with buy entries up until you see reversal patterns of cells coming in on your lower time frames. Let me just zoom this thing in so you can see what I'm talking about. This part right here, very essential, very good to look at, very strong selling opportunity. For now, scalp with buy opportunities. As you can see, young head and shoulder, more I don't know, yeah, head and shoulder, shoulder one, shoulder two, more I don't understand what's happening. But for now, guys, 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame. Look for buy opportunities like indulging bearish pattern, indulging bullish pattern, pin bar and whatnot. Those kind of signals. It's also lazy. Let me see for one. This one, but elevating upside down, the bullish one. Go for those type of barracking entries and then scalp with them up until it touches the 50 zone, and then knowing that you have barracking a sell opportunity open here to show that this trend is actually going for a downtrend. But use a reasonable lot size. Don't use a big one. Use maybe 0.01 to at least show you how the market where is it going, where are you predicting it to go, and then Oscar Becari buy opportunities at the high lot sizes. That's the only way that you're gonna get quick money out of technical trading. Other than that, stick to fundamental. All right, guys, I'm gonna move on to fundamental part. Uh, I'm gonna move on to the fundamental part, to the news trading part. Uh, as you saw yesterday, we had NFP. We had, I'm not sure about, but again, employment change. Let me just check quickly on the KGPY. No, I don't see. I can't see if we had bargaining events yesterday. Anyway, that's okay. That's okay. Some of us in here rather use events more than analyzing and doing what, which personally I prefer it as well because it's very nice and it's not I feel headache, man. Let's see here what's happened. What happened to NFP? I didn't follow the news. I haven't traded news in quite a while right now because I've been busy upside down. But anyway, let's see. I think this is this, right? It's this one. I don't know what happened, guys. Was it a buy? Was it a sell? What happened? Yesterday was the first, and it was around 2 o'clock. Yeah, it's this one. It was a buy. From here to here, 200 pips. You guys didn't eat yesterday, but it's fine. Anyway, guys, let me look for a proper example for those that don't know what fundamental is. Guys, fundamental trading is news trading, is where some of us now we prefer that other than trading technical. You understand? So this is what happens. News report gets released. Let's say uh, there are approximately 10 market indicators, but what we use to trade is a few that I love actually. It is, but again, CPI, core CPI, CPI, retail sales, NFP, unemployment change, employment change. What else am I missing? What else am I missing, guys? But anyway, you get what I'm saying. I will give you the list, newbies. I will give you the list of the events that I'm talking about. But anyway, we're still gonna have these kind of sessions. I feel like I'm gonna do these sessions each and every week, just for you to be on the same pattern and discuss whatever you are struggling with. Tapelo, my man, I know you like this fundamental, so yeah, this is specifically for you. Yeah, what happens here is that we trick the market. We don't trade according to them. And guys, I have a referral link for those who are interested in opening an account at Hot Forex. We made an agreement. Those that are using FNB, you are able to get your withdrawals in a day or sooner using referral links of registered companies. So if you want that link, or I'll just send it through in the premium group. I already send you those those links. So yes, you are able to receive your money using Legacy's name in a day if you are using referral link via Hot Forex. So yes, guys, news events for those that don't know, those market indicators each and every month, yeah, so and they show what is happening within the economy of each and every country. Let's say, for instance, let me just Google here, retail sale, retail sales of UD. All right, Australian retail sales investment.com. This is just an example, guys, of how you, if you want to actually find out more about the history and if it moves the market or not, ne? That's basically what do you call it, fundamental analysis. All right. Actually, the last one was on the 11th of January, which is early this month. The actual was 0.4, apart from the forecast and the previous. I'm sure this one moved the market because if then exceeded the forecast or in below the forecast, it has to have an impact on the market. So as you can see here, the volatility was quite a lot. And then if you want to look at the history as well, the ones with the stars are the ones that actually moved Tata a lot. Like if you want to see that forecast year thing, and then but again previous year thing, the forecast year thing, and a huge gap, that's when it's going to influence the market. That's when you know that those markets, you have to trade them. All right, that's how you know. And then, like I told you guys, those events that I mentioned now, NFP, employment change, retail sales, CPI, core CPI, what am I missing? Interest rate decision, but yeah, Canadian dollar. Those events are what move the market. Other than this, they do move the market, but if you want to eat a lot, use those events. And then we made an agreement. I made a partnership with. Remember last year when I told you that I'm working on a broker with same day withdrawal, and then bargaining Titus. As you saw, if you opened an account using you as an individual, your spreads are highly manipulated. Trust that. You have to believe that your spreads are gonna be fucked over. All right. So what I made an agreement with them that uh your spreads are gonna be bargain fixed, or let's say they're gonna vary, but not as much as how they used to vary whenever you were trading news events. So that's one of the basic bargain benefits of the agreement that I make with Hard Forex. If you're using FNB and you are withdrawing, chances are you are going to receive the payment before the end of the day, if not the following day. And then, second agreement of them is I will be able to monitor your accounts using my affiliate login, as well as your pips, your spread will be very, very tight. So it's nice, especially for those who like trading news. Those that don't know what happens when the report comes out, prices here at working 108.660, ne? And when the report comes out, we don't know whether it's going to be positive or negative. Hence this one came out negative, and then it influenced the market a lot. If you zoom out, this is what happened. The market moved from this price to this price within seconds. All right. This requires two accounts to enter. This is the strategy that I'm using at Legacy FX. To enter here, to enter this trade, a few seconds before, high leverage, high lot size. You enter with a buy signal on one account, on the other account, you enter with a sell. So this is a buy signal and then sell signal. Ne? If you have $200, $100 in one account and the other account to $100, one account has to blow that $100 and the other has to eat and eat a lot. All right. This is basically what fundamental is. If you have $200, you risk $100, but $100 in order to get from the other $100. So the market moved how many pips here? So immobile, all right, it looks like 3,000, but I don't believe this. Wait, just hold on quickly. It is 3,000. Yo, the market moved 3,000 pips. So it depends on the leverage ya how le account balance ya how ne tlo dumela hore o ye ka which higher which lot size. But it's for instance you had $100 and then the Willow Trader this news event that happened here, you were really going to get a lot of money out of that those few seconds. For those that don't know what I'm talking about, please go to my Instagram page at chepe underscore za, that's CHEPE_ZA. See the videos that I'm talking about when I see that you can make multiply your account from $100 to $400 within a minute or seconds, and then you'll know what I'm talking about. Most of my students love trading those, even those that don't prefer speaking in the group. But yes, there are those that prefer using this, but again, these fundamentals better though than the actual analysis. But I would also like to know from you guys if you would want me to continue sending out those signals that I used to send out, the fundamental signals, not the technical signals. Do you want me to point them out for you, continue pointing them out for you or not? That's one thing. So if you have any other question, guys, feel free to just tell me, text me back on WhatsApp, ask me anything that you want me to that you want to ask. And yeah, I will help you out. And to ask. Other than that, and yeah, just feel free if you need to ask anything so I can help you with that. All right. Looks like you guys are cool with everything that's happening right now. So yeah, man. If you need help or if you don't didn't understand quite clearly what happened here, please just list them and tell me so I can continue this from another video that I'm gonna make. Continue this conversation from another video that I'm gonna make. Or if you want to meet in person, just set up a date and we can meet and then discuss this thing going further. But anyway, I would like to thank you guys for participating in this live event that we did right now. And it would be advantageous to continue doing it each and every week. And for those that don't understand what's happening. And yeah, have a profitable week. If you don't understand, if you didn't quite understand a few aspects that was happening over here, feel free to text me again on WhatsApp and we'll continue this another time.